MIT study reveals that 95% of generative AI deployments did not deliver measurable ROI. This can be because of learning gaps, or cultural and behavioral change, or data schlep, the labor-intensive work of preparing data for analysis. Deloitte has to pay back the Australian government $400,000 for submitting an erroneous report and fabricated citations. Replit AI coding agent wiped out a company's production database and code. These are just a few setbacks organizations face in their AI deployments. But does it mean this is an AI bubble? The worst thing you can do is not use it. AI will affect your business whether you jump on it or not. We are in the early stage of this transformation. You will be overwhelmed, you'll be confused, you will be worried, and the only way for you to address it is to get your feet wet and learn how to use it. This is like the first time we discovered electricity. Gave us light, but we have yet to discover how to create the toasters and microwave. AI is here to stay, so we have to jump on it and learn how to use it. For more practical tips like this, subscribe.